Welcome to the demo of the 26B feature. Use the lot information from material reservations when issuing material in Oracle Fusion Cloud Manufacturing. The feature covers the material issue and back-flush material transactions for the lot that has been reserved. Lot and the corresponding information are defaulted from the material reservation in the following Redwood pages. Report material transactions. Production execution. Report materials and backflush materials. Defaulting the reserved lot information minimizes the risk of data entry errors when reporting material transactions. The following are the steps covered in the demo. Create reservations for the material lot for the operation materials with supply types as push and operation pull. Check the behavior with enabling the new plant parameter, and also, without enabling the new plant parameter. The new plant parameter is default lot from material reservations during material issue transactions. Check the behavior in the following transactions. Report material transactions for items with push supply type. Report materials during production execution for items with push supply type. Backflush materials during production execution for items with pull supply type. This is supported only in the Redwood pages for the above transactions. You can review the data that would be used in the demo. The work order is created for the product FIT 3000 for quantity of 20 each. At operation sequence 10, there are 3 items. You can refer the following details for each of the operation items: supply type, required quantity, reserved quantity, unit of measure, sub-inventory, and the lot reserved. First, review the work order. Next, review the work order material reservations. You can see that the 3 materials of the work order operation are reserved. You can check the reservation details of each of the material. Lot UP100 is reserved for quantity 20 each for the item ECM 200000. Lot SC100 is reserved for quantity 20 each for the item ECM 200002. Lot GPS100 is reserved for quantity 20 each for the item ECM 200003. Now, enable the new plant parameter, default lot from material reservations during material issue transactions. Try to execute a material issue transaction. Select the work order and the operation. You can see the new behavior, that the lot number is defaulted, based on the reservation available for the lot. The reserved lot information is defaulted, when the same supply sub-inventory and locator is specified in the material reservation. You can update the lot and its details, that are defaulted, from the material reservation, and perform the transaction. All the other information, related to the reservation, shall also get defaulted along with the reserved material lot. Next, try to execute the work order. Select an operation for execution. Now, report materials for the work order operation. Lots UP100 and GPS100 were reserved for the materials ECM 200000 and ECM 200003, respectively. You can see that the reserved material lots are defaulted for the materials with push supply type. Next, try to complete the operation. You can see the back-flush materials page and the item with supply type as pull shown here. The reserved lot SC100 for the material ECM 200002 is defaulted based on the plant parameter. Next, you can see the existing behavior with the new plant parameter unchecked. Try to execute a material issue transaction. Select the work order and the operation. You can see that reservation is available for the lot in the supply sub-inventory. You can see the existing behavior, that the lot number is not defaulted, despite reservation available for the lot. Here is the summary of the feature. First, you need to set up the plant parameter. Then you can check that the reserved lot is defaulted in the following pages. Report material transactions. Report materials during production execution. Backflush materials during production execution. This concludes the demo of the feature. Thanks for watching.